So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. So web design series 23rd video, we are going to talk about the Embed tag and the object tag. Sir, I got an object, sir. I got a YouTube video. I want to integrate in my web page. An audio, integrate it. A document, I need to integrate it. A picture, I need to integrate it. An external element, if I want to integrate in the content of my web page, I need some special keywords or tags. That is called as an embed tag or an object tag. And if I want to give a parameters for that particular element, I'll go with this param tag. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Here, you are able to see the embed tag here. I'm clicking it here. Object tag and param tag. Embed tag in the sense the keyword is embed. The keyword is embed. You are able to see the embed tag can be placed in the body of the element. You got the body of the element. You got the embed. Source is equal to get the YouTube URL. You can give it the embed. You are able to see the YouTube URL is added. The video is embedded. This is how your embed tag works, and you are able to see your YouTube video here. Sir, I don't want to embed a YouTube video. I want to create an object. In that I need an element, sir. Okay, I don't want to embed just directly a video here. An object into that I want the video. In that case, you will have an object tag because you are able to control it. You are able to control. Here you don't have any control. Over here, object tag will have the control. You are able to see. You will have everything here and you are able to control. So you are able to see this is how you can give it object/object. I can specify the width, height and everything. And in addition to that, I'm able to set the parameter using param tag. So you are able to see if I got an object, the param tag can be placed to give additional parameters to control an object which is placed in the web page.